Welcome to the Business Credit Training. In this training, you will learn about the importance of business credit and how to establish it for your own business. Having access to money and credit for your business ultimately determines your business's success or failure per the SBA. But according to Entrepreneur.com, 90% of business owners know nothing about business credit. And ironically, about 90% of businesses in the United States that open end up failing and closing their doors for good. A good business credit profile and score can be the difference between having a prosperous business or being at the helm of a sinking ship. You need money and credit to grow, especially to grow into a highly successful business. This is one commonality all successful businesses have: established business credit. Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and every highly successful private and public company has business credit. The business can use its own credit profile to grow, without the owner or CEO providing personal credit or liability to secure that credit. Walmart gets 80% of their total cash injection from business credit alone. This is one of the reasons they have grown into one of the largest retailers in the world. But what about you? Do you have business credit established now? Can you go out right now and get high-limit store and cash credit cards for your business? Can you do so without having to put your social security number on the application? If not, you need business credit. It may be the only thing holding you back from ultimate success. But how do you get business credit? How do you become one of the exclusive and elite 10% of entrepreneurs who understands business credit? How do you get it for your company to help you grow? In this business credit training, you're about to find out. Even if you knew nothing about business credit until now. Business credit is credit secured in your business name, and the business builds its own credit profile and credit score. With an established credit profile and score, the business will then qualify for credit and lending. There are a ton of benefits that business credit provides. You can build a credit profile for a business that is completely separate from you, the owner's personal credit. This gives business owners double the borrowing power as they have both personal and business credit profiles. Business credit scores are based only on whether the business pays its bills on time. A business owner can get credit much faster using their business credit profile versus their personal credit profile. Approval limits are much higher on business accounts versus personal accounts. Per the SBA, credit limits on business cards are often 10 to 100 times higher than consumer credit. When done right, you can build business credit without a personal guarantee. You can get business credit quickly, regardless of personal credit quality. Business credit doesn't report to the consumer credit reporting agencies and won't show up on your personal credit report. As you get new business credit and use it, your scores won't plummet as they will with consumer credit. You can also get most business credit without the owner taking on personal liability or a personal guarantee. This means in case of default, the business owner's personal assets likely won't be pursued. Even though most don't know this, when a business owner applies for financing, their business credit is reviewed. Not having business credit established will get an owner declined for financing. There are no regulations making lenders notify the business owner of their reason for denial. So most never know. That is why it is important to understand your business credit, how it works, and how to establish a strong profile. Now it is time to dive into the training.